Hey, gardening enthusiasts. We welcome you back to our channel. Today, we have another interesting topic to share with you: how to grow spider plants in LECA, also known as Lightweight Expanded Clay Aggregate. If you're looking for a fun and unique way to cultivate your spider plants, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's briefly talk about LECA. LECA is a porous and lightweight growing medium made from clay that's been heated to expand. It's widely used in hydroponic and indoor gardening due to its excellent drainage and aeration properties. It's perfect for fostering healthy root systems and facilitating plant growth. Let's look at the important steps you need to take to grow a healthy spider plant in LECA. Step 1: preparing the spider plant. To begin, choose a healthy spider plant with well-developed roots. Gently remove it from its current pot and shake off any excess soil. Don't worry about damaging the roots. Spider plants are quite hardy. Step 2: preparing the LECA. Next, rinse the LECA thoroughly to remove any dust or impurities. Soak the LECA in water for a few hours, allowing it to absorb moisture and become fully hydrated. This step ensures your spider plant will have sufficient water and nutrients throughout its growth. Step 3: potting the spider plant in LECA. Now, it's time to pot the spider plant in LECA. Choose a clean and transparent container with drainage holes. Fill the container with the soak LECA up to a third of its height. Gently place the spider plant in the center, making sure the roots are well distributed. Step 4: adding LECA and support. Fill the container with more LECA around the spider plant, gently patting it down to support the plant's stability. You can also add a few support sticks to help the spider plant stand upright, especially if it's a larger, mature plant. Step 5: watering and maintenance. Watering in LECA is different from traditional soil. Rather than pouring water over the top, we'll be using a reservoir system. Fill the container's bottom with water, making sure it's just below the surface of the LECA. As the plant's roots grow and reach the water level, they'll absorb the water, ensuring a consistent supply of moisture. Step 6: light and temperature. Spider plants prefer bright, indirect light. Place your potted spider plant in a location where it receives plenty of indirect sunlight. Avoid exposing it to direct, harsh sunlight as it may lead to leaf burn. Additionally, keep the temperature around 65-75 degrees F 18-24 degrees C, as spider plants thrive in moderate temperatures. Step 7: fertilizing. While LECA provides some nutrients, it's a good idea to supplement with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2-4 weeks during the growing season. Dilute the fertilizer as instructed on the label to avoid overfeeding. Step 8: pruning and propagation. Regularly prune your spider plant to remove any discolored or dead leaves. Spider plants are prolific in producing pups, which are miniature spider plants that grow from the mother plant. You can propagate these pups by gently separating them and potting them individually in LECA. There you have it, friends, the ultimate guide on how to grow spider plants in LECA. This unique method not only provides your spider plants with an excellent growing environment, but also adds a modern touch to your indoor garden. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting plant tips and tricks. Happy gardening!